Hey coders! I'm back with a game called CodeCombat. CodeCombat, the ultimate way to learn to code. Are you tired of traditional ways of learning to code? Do you find textbooks and online courses boring and ineffective? Introducing CodeCombat, the ultimate way to learn to code. CodeCombat is an immersive game that takes you on a journey through a fantasy world filled with exciting challenges and missions. As you progress through the game, you will learn how to code in different programming languages, such as Python, JavaScript, and Java. You will write code to solve puzzles, build characters, and defeat enemies. Compete with other players on the leaderboard to see who can solve challenges the fastest. Earn badges and certificates as you complete levels and missions, showing your progress and mastery of coding skills. CodeCombat also provides opportunities to work on real-world projects, putting your newly acquired coding skills to use. CodeCombat is not just for individual learners, but also for teachers and educators who want to introduce coding to their students. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for CodeCombat today and start your journey to becoming a coding master. CodeCombat, the ultimate way to learn to code.
Not a problem. Grab the treasure. You can use these methods. If you're stuck, click the hints button. Nothing to it. Right. Move right, move down, move up, move right, move left. Move up. Move right. Nothing to it.
CodeCombat.
Move right. Move right. Move right. Move up. Move right. Move down. Move right. Stand for me. If you're stuck, click the hints button.